Yeah, man. Welcome again to Rewrite the Narrative. It's okay to be curious, yeah? Just come off of the work. I feel like it's a time for me to look for something to eat. But, so I just have a thing for my mind, I have to say. Taking the, I think the way the little girl them and them granny get slaughtered by some people. You know what I mean? Like, the thing outrageous, it gruesome, it just terrible. And I not easy to talk about. Because once death visit you, you understand. When death visit you, you understand how difficult death really is, you know? We see it on a movie, we hear about it in a song and them thing, and the thing just not reach home, it just not come home to you. Because it just seems far-fetched. People are kill people, you know. You see it on the news. You see it all about till you get numb. You get numb to these things, and you find say the people living at the garrison and them place there, and them reality, them it just is another day. It's sad, yo. It's sad to say the woman lose her life, and more time we not even understand how precious old people are, you know. Old people precious, yo. I tell you. Old people precious. You lose a lot. When you lose an old person, you lose a lot. You're surprised. And it equally precious, the young one them. Because them full of possibilities. You never know where you get out of them. You can't tell. You cannot tell. And even them, it's just crazy. But when more time you think about it, you wonder where garrison come from? Where the concept of garrison come from? Why? In Jamaica you have garrison. Where them think they come from? And why them even needed? How them start? You have some whole questions you have to ask yourself. Why you have garrison? Where them come from and why they needed? Who start them? And not everywhere in Jamaica garrison there. Which means them did it for a reason. Them did it for serve some kind of purpose. But the craziest thing about the people in a garrison, them go through so much more, yo. Them not, and all of them poor. And all of them illiterate. It's a control system, yo. It's a social engineering never stop, you know. Social engineering never stop. And that's why I can't just look on a thing and say, yo, it just, me see what happened and look on that as the total of what really happened. We have trauma in our blood. We have trauma in our blood. Sometimes people say, yo, your memory I want thought. But your memory are literally in your blood. Your memory. I want some actions where you go through. People go through, slaves go through centuries of being socially engineered, conditioned to become what the master them want them to become, you know. Them garrison, you know, nothing different, you know. The man them were in charge of the garrison, them dread and them terrible, because think about it. No garrison no there in some parishes, and even if them have garrison like miniature garrison, the whole of the garrison them politically affiliated, which means them a political tool, and the people them in there are full-fledged pan. Everybody, the people them were innocent and the one them were muscle. All of them are pan. Garrison is an unfair institution in Jamaica, and it is an institution, but it is an unfair one. It's a control mechanism, it's a political tool. How the garrison them start? Why them start? Why them maintain? Why the people in the garrison always feel like it's a survival thing? More time we have to really go there so with it, you know. We have to go there so with it. we see what happen. Then go in upon a woman, a family, and them execute everybody where them could have catch. Everybody where them catch. If them could have catch more people, them they're dead too. Them execute who them can. Where the garrison them come from? Why? Why? Some places, some people don't know nothing about garrison life. Some people, them not have the slightest clue say the life of a person in the garrison is like this or is like that. You have people who come from country. All them know bad road, farming, church, a little one rum bar down here so. Not fully developed, and then people they have a totally different culture from a person who come from one next town over, even at this day and age. And them not violent, them way they. Them politically affiliated, but not so. The culture, the garrison culture thing there is very dreadful, yo. Terrible. It's terrible. I can't understand it, I swear. Just can't understand it. It's shameful, yo. It's shameful, say you have a country. We have again, you know, slavery go all the way back to the beginning of the time. People are used people from forever, you know. But they get so much more sophisticated. They get so much more sophisticated. Social engineering, no stop. Social engineering ongoing. The people, the same people in a garrison get educated by the people who benefit from garrison. Teach them how to use psychology for other people. We make other people in the garrison live in fear. Never come out them in a constant fear, repetitive fear. And them get to the point where if they go into a place of safety, they need to stir up chaos just for them feel like say yeah them blood pumping. It is a crying shame. It is a shame, yo. But they hear me and say, yo, I'm gonna shut up some food because, you know, go up on the road. My thing is my work everywhere, really, to be honest. Today I did up in Florida Keys. Last week I did Texas. And next week, Orlando. It depends, it could have been anyway. But yeah, you know, more time to kill the time, you just flip something on YouTube and go and listen. And that's how I get enough of my inspiration them. Because I listen to some reasoning and I say, you know, so I have a thing I'm gonna add. And I say, boy, you know, so reason you kinda distortion, have some distortion to it. So I say, yeah, I'm gonna make a video or two just to make sure say you add some voice to it, you know. But yeah man, it's a shame, man, it's a shame. People honestly know say Jamaica and not even just no one-sided Jamaica. You have the garrison them, which is the most popular section of Jamaica. You have uptown where you hear about, which is like America. You have the tourist place them, which is like the tourist resort them America, literally. Everywhere want to be America. Right? You have Jamaica, which is the overall location with greenness. Me live, I go places, yo. I go places. I see places. Jamaica is a beauty, but it's a pawn too. The people them a pawn, and the location cause it to become a pawn, yo. It's a pawn in a geopolitics. It's just mad. It's mad. And me go so and I start with one little space in a Spanish town and basically I say, yo, the whole of Jamaica. But when you check it, the whole of the politicians them have a constituency in a garrison them can't change. The garrison them can't change. Come on. Come on. And even if the place in a garrison, when the politicians them go there, them turn it into some semi-ghetto. Literally. Them, the bigger the politician, the more destructive the constituency. Shameful, man. Like, Jano. Yeah, so which part else in Jamaica? You see people literally I live their life like them have to survive, like it's a war zone. The man them will live a country in the bush them. Or country which part them feel safe. They not meds it that way there. They not look on things like say, them have to worry about something. They not always watch their head back. The people that will live uptown, in the suburban area, them in any parish. Them people in to, yeah, them get, them not live the same, with the same kind of fear. Them live with the fear, say somebody from one garrison, we rob them. Where them garrison they come from? Who start them? Why them start them? And why them continue to exist? What, them good until the next election? The mentality of the people in our garrisons are different mentality, different. So tell the people them literally are survive, yo. Them are survive, them literally have generations of feud where start from some political process and the feud them continue because political process start a certain kind of demand them in order for you have guaranteed seat, then did have to have done and done that. They done them from back then care just live a normal life. Them whosoever affiliated to them and them affiliated to I got always in a problem. Therefore the garrison them got always in a problem. And why? How did the garrison them start? Why the people in the garrison struggle more than the people them who start the garrison? Enough people not have the headspace or the will to just break free. Some people the only option of a runway. Enough parish have garrison, but the worst place them in the parish them are the garrison them. Where them come from? Where the garrison come from? How they start? Why they start? Enough of the times we have to go far past the what happened. We need to go way beyond what happened to why and where and how. Them how we need to know how comes a garrison in a Jamaica in a this day and age exists still. We need to figure out why everywhere in the world where them have garrison or projects, them so violent, crime ridden, and the people them partially impoverished and have a mentality of a survivor. They literally have a survivor's mentality. The surviving mentality were equivalent to a man who born in a war zone and live in a war zone. That's the problem lie. Go in and shoot up one 80-year-old is no different from going in and shooting up one 20-year-old. It's a life. A 80-year-old person's life precious, yo. When my granny did, she literally go with all of the skill them what she have. He never ever passed down because nobody never interested if you do them thing. Everybody want to go to school, go learn academics, and education fly over their head because some of the people nowadays they can't cook. You know the cooking thing a big people something and enough how we not grow up. You know, so when you take your life of a old somebody, you take a precious life. When you take your life of a pitney, you take a precious life, yo. A 6-year-old, them 6-year-old they innocent and happy, you know. No care what kind of life them are living, you know. They don't know say the life more difficult than for the next man. They adapt to them nature versus nurture, them adapt to them surrounding. The hunger time, them realizes when hunger kill them. And if I tell they not even know, they get used to it. Me know that for a fact. You get used to it. Me not growing in a ghetto, rebel, rough area, but me never have to look over my shoulder. Yo. Me never have to look over my shoulder. Then if you walk distance, we go grab things, say if you water and everything there, but you never have that kind of violence. The garrison them are the problem, yo. The garrison them, the people them know. You have people in the garrison who can afford Them just don't have somewhere else to live, yo. People can afford to find them food. Them have the best appliance and furniture in them house and firm and sturdy house. It's just the environment with them inner, and them have that survival mentality there and that cunning thing there with them. It's just, it come with time. You live there long enough, you have to do. Some of them get a chance to run away and make something out of whatever opportunities them get. But not everybody get the opportunity, and even if all of them get the opportunity, them still have the mentality so that wherever them go, them send back the destruction, yo. Go protect, send back whatever them feel like or whatever them think say them friend or them brother or them whatever need to protect themselves. At them something there, yo. They like a man in a one ghetto where live. The ghetto there a Montego Bay, and him terrible like the man who live in a ghetto at Kingston, and him live 2 community over from another man in our next community at Montego Bay, and everybody in the other community there just have a whole different culture, and then man in the next community over would have informed pan a man or call the police pan a man where break the law or do something wrong. You know, say a culture is a ghetto culture, it's a garrison culture. You go in a one garrison with badness and go intimidate somebody, them understand themselves, they know say, yo, this man come and page me up. You page. You go in a one country area where I know garrison area and you go intimidate somebody, the police I hear about that quick. It's a difference, it's a culture thing. The man then will start the garrison, yo. The man then will start the culture. The man then will have to make sure so them have a firm and strong seat in them thing. Shame is a shame, is a shame. It's a shame, yo. The system, yo, society, nature. Society is not a part of nature. Society is a man-made nature, you know, social engineering. The language we speak in a society is social engineering. The language we speak in a nature is natural thing. It's just natural. People know say if you hurt somebody, then we hurt you back. In a society, you see, you watch a movie, How to Get Away with Murder. All you need is a good lawyer. That's it. It's not, you kill somebody and hide them. And somebody find him and you have a good lawyer and them know say how you do it and them can't prove it. You get away. You see how society, the social engineering is a whole completely different thing. Rewrite the narrative, yo. You have to rewrite it from down in your blood, in your genes, yo. You have to rewrite your whole existence. Your mentality, you just rewrite it, you change it. You just ignore education as what them tell you that it is. You need to learn to read and write, yes, but reasoning, yo, you can't teach that. Practice.